At Royal Homes, we believe there is a smarter way to build. For more than 50 years, we've proven that factory built doesn't mean compromise. It means building with greater precision, consistency, and control, indoors, in a protected environment where quality can be managed at every stage. Every step is carefully coordinated before the home ever reaches the site. And what surprises many people is how flexible the process really is. Every Royal home is designed around the people who live there, from layouts and finishes to architectural details and how each space needs to function. But this smarter way to build extends far beyond single-family homes and cottages. Through One Build by Royal Homes, we bring the same proven process to larger scale housing and community developments, helping projects move ahead up to 55% faster by building in parallel here in the factory with our site operations. For homeowners, developers, organizations, and communities, the goal is the same: a better building experience, greater efficiency, and quality that lasts. This is precision engineered construction. This is Royal Homes. And this is a smarter way to build.